In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Hostinger Learning Lab. If you want to find helpful educational resources inside your Hostinger account, this is a very simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can access the features available on your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to look at the main interface. If you're new to the platform, don't worry, because everything is laid out in a way that becomes easy to navigate once you know where to click. After you've opened your account, go to your Profile section. This is usually where account-related settings and personalized options are stored. Look for the Profile icon or Profile area within the dashboard and click on it. If the layout looks a little different from what you expected, that's normal, since platforms sometimes update their design. The important thing is to locate the section connected to your account profile. Once you click into the Profile area, look for the Learning Lab option. When you see it, click on Learning Lab to open it. This is the section where Hostinger provides learning materials and useful guidance that can help you better understand the platform and improve your skills. It's a good place to spend some time, especially if you want to learn more about website management, hosting tools, or other related topics available inside the ecosystem. After the Learning Lab opens, feel free to explore it. Take your time browsing through the available content and see which topics are most useful for you. Depending on what Hostinger is currently offering, you may find tutorials, educational resources, or guided materials designed to help you get more comfortable using the platform. Exploring this area can be especially helpful if you're still learning the basics or if you want to discover features you haven't used before. And that's it. That's how to access Hostinger Learning Lab from inside your account. As a quick tip, if you plan to use these learning resources often, it can be helpful to remember exactly where the Learning Lab is located in your profile menu so you can return to it quickly anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.